שלום רב. שיר פולק נוסף שנכתב בהשראת מלחמת וייטנאם, סוף שנות ה-60, I've Always Seen the Rain, של להקת קרידנס קלירווטר.
It's been coming for some time. When it's so they say, in the rainy sunny day, I know, shine down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? Have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? It's the day before. Sun is cold and rain is hard. I know they've been waiting for all my time. And it can't stop, I wonder. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, and have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day? Have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen